So welcome back to another YouTube video. Before we get started, let me just show you the size of this fucking truck. Let me stand next to it. Oh yeah, window. Ridiculous one. So let's move that hunk of shit out the way and we'll put a Lamborghini there instead. That's more like it. So yeah, welcome back to another video, and today we are actually shooting this Lamborghini Huracan LP-610. It's pretty sick, it's pretty savage, and it's definitely one of those cars that makes you feel alive when you are driving it, when you put it in Corsa mode. So we are gonna have a quick drive in it before we shoot it. If you did miss it, I did shoot another Huracan, which is Matt Wilson, so you could watch this video here to go watch that. All the edited shots you do see on the screen in this video will be edited using my presets, which are on lewismorrismedia.com. I'm gonna throw the raw files from shooting this today in the description below, so make sure you watch the whole video first. Afterwards, go down below, click the link, download the raws, upload them, play with them, do whatever you want to them, and tag me in those photos. I know these videos don't get many views, but if you do enjoy the content that I'm creating at the minute, you can like and subscribe for more. I'm gonna shut my rascal out mouth and get on with the video, so enjoy. Alright, that's what it looks like to actually get in a Lamborghini Huracan. Looks like we're driving this today. Mad. I fucking love my job, man. So sick. Also, when you're in a Lamborghini, that's it. That's all you get. Oh, now it's alive. Fucking hell, man. That power is ridiculous. I'm shifted at 6,000. It goes up to 9. Yo. Granny shifting, not double clutching like you should. Yo. Tell you what, these brakes are fucking whoa powerful. Yo. Cool, let's get straight into it. So I'm just gonna do one quick set at this spot and then we're gonna go to another location. I'm gonna keep this one a bit shorter, a bit sweeter. Wait for those cars in the background to move. Fucking hell, how slow. Every Peugeot driver. Also, if you're shooting on a Sony camera, just before you switch to video, if you do videos as well, always save your settings on the number that you're going to switch to. So mine's on number 3, which is going to be 60 frames a second when I switch to video. So because I know these settings on photos is perfect and I want to save it to number 3, and then when I switch to video, I've got my video settings, and then when I switch back to photos, it's exactly how it is. So I can literally just, I don't have to fuck about, just go straight back to shooting. Perfect. So whilst I'm here, I'm going to quickly show you my new setup on the gimbal. So I went on DJI's website and got the vertical mount. So I got a new cage, and the plate on the bottom is compatible with the RS2 and the RS3, or the RS3 Pro is the only one I use. So on the bottom, it clips straight into the mount. So this is why I got this set up, to speed up my filming process. So all I need to do to get the camera from here to the gimbal and working and turned on is slot it on, tighten that down, and then press and hold the on button. That's it, and now I'm ready to go because it's already balanced. That's it, and I can shoot, and then I'm ready to shoot whatever. If I need to quickly take photos, press the lock button, locks it in place, I take it off, take photos, then put it back on. So like my filming process is so much faster now, switching between video and photos. And the only reason it's faster is because I looked into how to make myself more efficient on shoots, and this is how. If you're looking for the setup, I'll drop all the links down below in the description. So again, I'm overexposing by about 1.7. And then you'll see why when I'm color grading. Or I'll throw the before and after on the screen. You just get to see the power of S3. Looks so good. Cool, basically just going to flip the car that way. Right, back to a couple more photos. Oh, just snapped off. Oh, that's not ideal. Oh well. Just snapped off my little thing. There it is.
Oh, bless you. Thank you.
Oh, as if that snapped. Oh, that looks so weird. Fuck's sake. So even though I'm using the 16-35, I pretty much take my shots at like 35mm. I'm never gonna take photos at 16mm. I'll just show what it looks like. I mean, some people might think it looks cool, but it's not. So we raffle cars off, so you pay a couple of quid for a ticket, and then if your number comes up, you win the car. Yeah. Oh, move to a new little spot. Get a couple of shots here. So final location, we are at Rutland Water. Just to show you where it is, we are at a different entrance. I've brought another Huracan here before. I'll throw the shots on screen now. And plus, if you've not watched that video, you can go watch it after this one. The last time we shot all the way down there, now we've moved up here. Good thing I love about Rutland Water is so many locations to shoot, like here with just any car. And the people here are literally not bothered at all. So, love the lighting right now. Oh, it looks so good. I'll probably take most of my favourite shots here, I reckon. So like the side vents, intakes. Normally quite nice to get little detail shots quite wide and then make a split edit in Photoshop. So instead of just having one slide on Instagram of just that one detail location, take 3 shots wide and then make it into a Photoshop split edit. And so I'll throw one on the screen now just so to give you an example. You've got all that screen real estate, you might as well use it. Oops. It can be quite nice to get slightly higher shots as well, just to show off like the rear wheel and that rear spoiler. So you don't always have to get super low, you can get quite high, and it'll still look pretty good. And that just locks the car by accident. So again, this is how easy it is to go from photo to video. It doesn't matter what surface you're on when you turn the gimbal on. Because remember, I've calibrated it at a good level, so it doesn't need to be calibrated again. Good to go. So we're going to get 2 separate sort of styles. We're going to get one push in shot, then we're going to get a left to right. Ooh, so one push straight in, so push straight into the car. Like that. And now we'll go from left to right with a little twist. Like that. And again, I'm shooting everything in 60 frames. Because when you throw it into editing or After Effects, the timeline's 60 frames, which makes the shot look even smoother. So I don't slow-mo any of these shots in terms of changing the frame rate, so I'd keep it at 60, shoot at 60, edit in 60, export at 60. That's the secret to getting like fast-paced reels, like reels like this, where you just kind of fast tracking the wheels, stuff like that. Alright, let's finish with some photos. Oh, this spot's so sick. Cool. Yo, so hoping you enjoyed that little segment of shooting the POV, working on the little intro and just trying to make the videos a little bit more fun to watch. I will be dropping the links to the gear I use in this video down below if you want to check those out, along with some files from the shoot with the Huracan that you can just play with, so you can see the raw files from the A7IV. Speaking of which, I've got a new wrap for it, so it's kind of like a camera skin. It looks like a sketch kind of like wrap that's on it. Pretty sick. This camera's like done me so well so far. And you're probably thinking, well, if he's got the A7IV, what's he filming on? You're gonna have to wait and see, because in the next couple of videos I may have bought something. So yeah, I will be putting it through its paces and just making sure that the image looks good. And in the next couple of videos you'll see what I bought and currently using. I know it's not all about camera gear, but if you can buy things that are going to help you with motivation to shoot more, or something that's going to make your life a little bit easier, whether it's like editing, shooting, having something else that's just going to make life a little bit easier, then I'm definitely all for it. And if you did make it to the end of this video and you're currently watching this, I definitely appreciate it. So drop a like on this video if you did enjoy it. You can drop a subscribe if you want to. Comment down below your current camera setup or any sort of questions that I can help you with as best as I can. The less we hate, the more we create, and I will catch you in the next video. See you.